Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour, where I'm excited to show you the serene and stunning Praia da Rocha Beach in Portugal. This hidden gem is not as well known as some of the other beaches in the country, but it's definitely worth a visit. First things first, before we begin our tour, please take a moment to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts on this tour. Now let's get started. Praia da Rocha Beach is located in the heart of the Algarve, Portugal's southernmost region, and it's one of the most beautiful beaches in the area. The beach is known for its fine golden sand and crystal clear waters, which are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. As we walk along the beach, you'll notice that there are several rocks and cliffs scattered along the shoreline, which adds to the natural beauty of the beach.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
You can also take a stroll along the cliffs to enjoy some breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. One of the best things about Praia da Rocha Beach is that it's never too crowded, even during peak season. You can always find a quiet spot to relax and unwind, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. As we come to the end of our tour, I hope you've enjoyed exploring Praia da Rocha Beach with me. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this tour. And if you haven't already, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!